Hello children, welcome back to our class. In previous class we have seen subtraction by drawing lines and taking off the smaller number from a bigger number, and then we have used our fingers. Okay, so in this class I'll tell you one more method of how to do subtraction, but I'll do each problem in one method and the new method we'll see later. So first we'll draw lines and take off the number from a bigger number. Okay, let's start. Here, as we know, subtraction is taking away a smaller number from a bigger number. 8 minus 5. The first method what we did is we drew 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then this is 5. The second number. So we have to strike off 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count the number of lines and write the remaining ones as the answer. 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the answer. This is one method we did. The next method, take 6 fingers and we have to remove 2. Then close 2 fingers and count the rest number of fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the answer. This is one method. One method is by drawing lines and writing the answer. Striking of the number and writing the answer. The second method is take the big number on your fingers, count them and remove the number from them, and remaining fingers will write here it as an answer. Now one more method is here. They are given 9 minus 7. So keep 7 in your mind. Keep 7 in your mind and count till you get this number on your fingers. Count after 7, 8, 9. How many fingers did we get? 2. How many fingers did we get? 2. Okay, understood? Here 9 minus 7 is given. We are not drawing any lines. We are not opening the fingers, taking the big number. We are taking the small number here and counting it after the small number till you get this big number on your fingers. So 7 is given here. Count after 7, 8, 9. How many fingers did you get? 2. So write 2 as the answer here. Okay? Okay? Now the next one, 8 minus 8. Here, keep 8 in your mind. Count till 8. How many fingers do you get? You don't get any fingers because it is 0. When you subtract any number from itself, we have learnt that. When you subtract any number from itself, we get the answer as 0. What do we get? We get the answer as 0. When you subtract any number from itself or the same number, we get the answer 0. Clear? Now come to this one. 5 minus 0. We have also learned when you subtract 0 from any number, you get the same number or the number itself. So the answer will be 5. What will be the answer? 5. Here, next one. 4 minus 2. We'll see the latest method. Now take 2 in your mind. Count after 2 till you get this number 4. 2 in your mind. Count after 2, 3, 4. How many fingers did you get? 2. How many fingers did you get? 2. Okay. The next one. 7 minus 3. Now what we should take in our mind? We should take a small number in our mind in subtraction. In addition, we take big number in our mind. In subtraction, we take small number in our mind and count till we get the big number. Okay? Now, after 3 in your mind, count after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers did you get? 4. So what we'll write here? 4 as the answer. Clear? Let me explain one more time. Here we are given 7 minus 3. So take 3 in your mind. Count after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers did you get? 4. So what will write the answer here as? 4. 4. Now come to this sum. 3 minus 1. 1 in your mind. Count after 1, 2, 3. How many fingers did you get? 2. How many fingers did you get? 2. So the answer is 2. Now subtraction is taking away a smaller number from a bigger number. The sign of subtraction is minus. The sign of subtraction is minus. The answer in subtraction is called difference. The answer in subtraction is called difference. Okay. Now we'll also learn what are the terms called in subtraction. This 6 and 2 and 4 we have here. In addition, the numbers which are added are called as addends. But here in subtraction, the number on the top is called minuend. What is it called? Minuend. And the number which we are subtracting is called subtrahend. What is it called? Subtrahend. And the answer is called difference. So these are the terms in subtraction. In addition, we have addends and sum. And the sign of addition is plus. But in subtraction, we have 3 terms. The top one is called the minuend. The number which we are subtracting, the smaller number, is called the subtrahend. And the answer is called difference. The sign of subtraction is minus. The sign of subtraction is minus. Clear? Now let's see few more sums on the latest method. That is counting from a smaller number to the bigger number and writing the answer. Clear? Let's start. Now let's see few more examples. Here 6 minus 3. Here we'll take small number in our mind. 3. Count after 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop here till this number. Stop here. Okay? 4, 5, 6. How many fingers did we get? 3 fingers. So what is the answer here? 3. What is the answer here? 3. You can use any method, children. You can also draw lines like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Same answer you will get. Okay? Instead of drawing these lines, just directly take the small number in your mind. Count till you get the big number. Count after 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 is the answer. So 3. Same you get. Okay? Any method you can use. Whichever you feel easy. Here 9 minus 5. 5 in your mind. Count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers did we get? 4. So right? 4. This is easy. Okay, this is easy. Then next, after 8 minus 6. 6 in your mind. Count after 6, 7, 8. You should stop till you get this big number. Okay, 6 in your mind. Count after 6, 7, 8. How many fingers did you get? 2. So we'll write the answer here as 2. So 6 in your mind, 7, 8. So stop counting when you get this big number. Okay? 1, 2. What is the answer? 2. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Let's go to the next one. When you subtract any number from itself, you get the answer as, what do you get the answer? 0. When you subtract any number from itself or the same number, you get the answer 0. So 4 minus 4 is 0. And 9 minus 0. When you subtract 0 from any number, you get the same number. When you subtract 0 from any number, you get the same number. Okay? Then next, 5 minus 1. When you subtract 1 from any number, you get the before number of this number. Okay? Before number of the big number. So what is the before number of 5? 4. Or else you can do like this also for this one. Keep 1 in your mind, count after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers did you get? 4. You get the same answer. So directly when you remember that when you subtract 1 from any number, you get the before number. That is the simplest way. Okay? So, sign of subtraction is minus. The terms in subtraction are, this is called minuend. This is called subtrahend. And the answer in subtraction is called difference. The answer in subtraction is called difference. Okay? Subtraction is taking away a small number from a big number. Clear, children?